Using Walmart plus gas discount is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can you use Walmart plus gas discounts. So in order to do that, as you can see, we will go to our Walmart application, and in your application you simply have to go to the services, and in the services, as we know that Walmart case discounts are a lot of gas stations where you can get up to 1 gallon of gas for the 10 cents. So how can you avail them? As you can see, you just have to go to that option to buy the subscription. After buying the subscription, you just have to go to any of the gas station, which is, by the way, accepted by Walmart. After that, you have to select the payment option as a QR code, and then you have to pay using your Walmart Pay by scanning the QR code. So that's pretty much your dad's. I will be able to through it. Hope you guys find this. We have